Welcome to our Precalculus class. Today I have this topic, Quotient Property of Logarithms. We have this problem, expand the logarithm of log b divided by tu. Okay, actually I need to remember you all properties, the main properties for our class. The first one is I want to remember a product property. Product property. Product property. We are talking about the logarithms. Okay. So this property is equals is when you write like a log and in this way log m plus log m with the base b, plus log n with the base b. This equals log m n, because it's a product property with the base b. So where b, m and n are positive, and b is different of 1. Okay, this is a product property, a very important property that we have to memorize. We have to memorize this property. The second one property is regarding to our class today. It's a quotient property. The quotient property is like this: this quotient property is log m with the base b minus, here you have to subtract, minus log n with the base b. So this is equals log mn divided by m divided by m divided by n, m divided by n. Okay, right? So where this is very important, and where again b, m and n. So here and n, I miss n here, and n are positive. So are positive. So are positive. Okay, and b is different of 1. Okay, this is a quotient property. Very important that we have to memorize this kind of property. We have to memorize quotient property. We'll teach this property today. All right. The next one that I will to remember actually the four main properties for logarithm. It's another one property that is important. Memorize is a power property. Power property is also the same. Log m to the n power with the base b is equals, this property is equals, let me write this side here, log m to the n power with the base b. This property is equals, look, it's a little bit different, but it's easy. So n, so we have to memorize the property n log, so n times log, m with the base b, okay. This is where exactly the same thing where the B, M, and N are positive. So are positives, and B2 here is different from 1. Okay, this is another important property when we are talking, when we're working with logarithms. Okay, power property. It's another one, the last one, the common property. The common property, this use the base 10. This common property use the base 10. So the common logarithm in this problem is like this: log x with the base 10. And then the problem here is usually written and without the base. So we used to write only log x. So like this. These are the 4 important properties that we have to memorize, a little bit memorize or recognize when we work in this kind of problems. All right, let's go and then solve our problem for today. We have this problem here. Expand the logarithm of this problem. All right, the first step, we have to rewrite, I will rewrite the problem here. So just write log d divided by tu. All right, then next step, this will be equals here. Look at we are going to remember the property or the quotient property we have to apply it here. So first step, log ub here, ub, then minus log here log tu. Here is we are applying the quotient property here. This is the property. Very important. So next step, just write here log ub, here minus, we have to write log t plus log u. Here this is this we apply the product property. Okay, then the last step, or I mean the answer here is log ub, right, minus log t minus log u. This is the solution to our problem. See, that's very simple. Just try to play with the property. So important, keep in your mind the property. In the future, when you are working, we are working with more, I mean, complex problems, it's difficult if you don't know the properties, the rules in math. This is very important rule. Okay, let me show you another problem. Let's write different problem here. Let me write another easy, expand the logarithm of, let's write log 3xw, okay, this one. So next step will be equals here log, remember the property I'm trying to apply, or you remember, recognize the quotient property here, in this case, or log 3 minus Whereas next step is log x w. Here, see, here is we apply the quotient sometimes in this in our problem to combine two properties, quotient and product property. Next step is log 3 of log x. Here plus must be plus log w, right? Now we are applying the product property. Product of property. Okay, so and then the last step of the solution to our problem, just take it up from the parentheses on in numbers or data inside. So log 3 minus here log x minus log w. So this is our answer. Is the solution. That was our class about quotient property of logarithms. Remember, this class belongs to Precalculus. It's easy, sometimes it's maybe like introduction to the logarithms. Okay. Remember, if you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you.